Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I have the Naked Beauty Box for June 2021. This video is sponsored by Naked Beauty Box, and I'm so excited about that. So thank you so much for sponsoring this video, Naked Beauty Box. Today I'm going to show you guys what is in the June 2021 Beauty Box for Naked Beauty Box. I've said that like 5 times. This box is $35.99 a month. It says that it provides you with full-size, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free skincare products delivered straight to your door. Each box contains up to $150 worth of non-toxic skincare products ranging from essential daily cleansers to rejuvenating face masks. The founder wanted to make sure everyone else could benefit from the products she had discovered to continue to discover. And continues to discover. Okay, so let's open up the box. Oh, it's open. Did I open it? I remember opening it. Here it is. I love the box. It's super cute. And I will say that I have found some of the most amazing products from this box that I use on a daily basis. I'm actually running out of one of the products that I got. It's a hyaluronic acid serum. I love it so much. I need to buy a new one. Okay, so this is a piece of paper that tells you what's in your box. And it says, beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself, Coco Chanel. And it does give you the overall prices, it does give you the prices of each product that's in here. I couldn't get that out. Okay. Some big ass products in here. All right, we've got the Shine On Nail Cuticle Oil. And this retails for $18. Holy moly. Put intense hydration at your fingertips with this complex combination of vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals. Wicked Good Cuticle Nail Oil boosts deeply hydrating emollient properties. Okay, so it's a cuticle oil. You put it on your nails and your cuticles, and it helps them. All right, the next thing is this, and this is Isabella Clearly Lift. It retails for $33. It's a face and neck serum. Hallelujah, I need something for my neck, my old ass neck. It just won't stop. I don't know what to do with it. What does your skin need to stay youthful? Intense moisture and hydration, nourishing ingredients that keep it healthy, and products that improve elasticity for a firm, lifted appearance. Clearly, Lift is made with a blend of powerful oils and plant extracts designed to naturally reverse the signs of aging. Holy shit. This is going to reverse? It's going to reverse my skin? I'm excited. Okay, we do have a face mask, and this is by Soon Skincare Biocellulose Firming Face Mask. It retails for $22. I've received one of these before, maybe a few of them, and they are good. They have a lot of product on there. What I like to do when there's like over excessive serums or whatever it is that's on here, I like to squeeze them out a little bit and put it in a jar and then put it on my face later. So we have this. The next thing are 2 products from the same company. So I don't know if I'm supposed to do them together or not, but I'm going to show them to you. Okay, so we have the Yummy Cosmetics Detoxifying Clay Mask. This retails for $28, and it has aloe vera and oatmeal in it. This product what?
I'm assuming I found slug eggs.
Why?
Because there's a really big slug and then snail/slug eggs.
Ew.
Why do you think ew?
I don't want slugs. If it was a worm or a ladybug.
Didn't you say we were raising literal snails?
Where?
You literally put slug eggs in a thing.
But they died.
I literally saw a tiny snail in there.
Where?
Oh my god, come here.
Hold on, let me finish this. I have one more product left. Love you. Okay. This is with aloe vera and oatmeal. This product comes as a powdered form detoxifying blend of clays and beneficial powders that help exfoliate dead skin cells, tighten pores, and detoxify the skin. Ideal for all skin types. So we have a powder mask, which I am fine with. We also have this. This is the Yummy Ultimate Foam Cleanser. This has aloe vera and rose water. This is gigantor, like humongous. I love foam cleansers. Okay. This retails for $35. A mild foam cleanser that tightens the pores, refreshes and removes excessive oils from the skin while providing an effective foaming Cleanse. It has organic rose water, aloe vera leaf juice, organic sea buckthorn, and organic green tea. All right, so this was the last product. This is gigantic. Let's do an overall value of the box. The overall value of this box is $136. We've received the Yummy Cosmetics Ultimate Foam Cleanser. We've received the Yummy Cosmetics Detoxifying Clay Mask. The Isabella's Clearly Lift Anti-Aging Face Serum reduces wrinkles and rejuvenates the skin. I am so excited about this. The Nail and Cuticle Oil by Wicked Good. And we also received the face mask by Soon Skincare, and it's a biocellulose firming face mask. I thought it was really good. This box is really good. It's clean skincare and it's really good. I have found, and I said this in the beginning, some of my favorite products from them. And I'm just so grateful, first of all, that they want to work with me. Second of all, that they send this to me for a review. And third of all, that I get to find really good products in a subscription box and I don't have to pay the actual price of the actual product. Do you know what I mean? That's why I love subscription boxes. Subscription boxes are so good for that reason. You can get super expensive products in your subscription box and you only have to pay for the price of the subscription box. I mean, you guys all know that. You guys have a love for subscription boxes like me, and you already know this. Okay, guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you so much to the Naked Beauty Box for sponsoring this video. I am so thankful for it, and I can't wait to see next month's box. If you guys want me to tell you guys how I liked the products from the previous month, let me know, because I can do like a real quick recap of the products that I used from the box from last month in each video. So let me know if you would like that. And that is it for today, guys. I'll make sure to link everything in my description box down below so you can go check them out for yourself. And I hope you guys have a great day. I love you guys so, so much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.